Hello there, I'm back to give you another web lecture. Today I will give you a web lecture on how we can prepare map layouts in QGIS. Before starting preparation of layouts, it's better to see the visibility of our layer. Let's see, this one is water table map, and this one is geological map. You can change the name of the layer by right click here and rename. So you can change like this, geology, or we can right click here, then property, then general, and lithological units, then okay, then apply. And also you can change this legends, because seems very long legends. You can simplify this legend, right click, then property, then we can change the label of our legend. We can change the label of our legend. For example, let us change the label of this legend, for example. So it says adequate formation only, and which is seems appropriate. So we can change also the disease and of our series. You can do the same things for other label, the same things, and you can do for more like this. Then apply, then okay, then click this one, select our map, project, new print, let's name it layer 1. Okay, that new window is pop up. So to insert our map to this window, you have to click this one, add new map, click, then create rectangle. So this one is our map, and we can also add a legend to our layer or layout. Click legend, then we can put our legend here. So we can move our legend from right to left or from left to right, like this. And also here we can change some property of our legend. We can change the composition of our legends, this width, says we can change the number of pages also. We can change also item property, title of the legend can be changed, alignments of the legend title can be changed. You can do like right. So legend title is aligned right, or you can do center like this, or you can do left like this. And also we can change some property here. We can change the fonts types, and let us change the title fonts and make bold. Then okay, so you can see here the legend is in bold. And also we can change subgroup fonts or group fonts. Change group fonts to another font type. Change to this one. Okay, so group fonts will be changed. And also we can change the column. We may use 2 column as to make 2 column, then split. Then here's column 1 and column 2. Make it 1 column for done. And also we can change the symbol width, the symbol height of what the legend is, spacing of the legend can be changed, and also we can frame our legend like this. It's framed like this. The frame color may be changed like this, or we can totally remove the frame from the legend. We can do the same thing for the map. We can change the XY coordinates, extents, x in this case x minimum is this value, so we can change x minimum value, y minimum value, x maximum value, y maximum value, and so on. And also we can use some grids. We can frame our map like this. We can frame our map like this, or we can remove the frame from our map. So we can change any property here, and also we can add the scale bar here. So this one is scale bar, so we can add scale bar. We can add also arrow if it is needed. We can also add attribute table to our layouts if it is needed. And once we already prepare our layout properly, then we can export our layouts to PDF, or we can export to SVG file, or we can export to what image. Let us export to PDF. So click PDF. So let's save our image map layouts. Save. Then you can see our map here, PDF formats map here. So this one is our layouts, which we export in PDF formats.